Hello, my name is Alan and I am the illustrator of this brilliant new book from SEAI called Guzzler's Party. Now, being the illustrator means that I am the guy who drew all the pictures in this book, and that's what we're going to do today. We are going to do some brilliant drawing together. So, get yourself a pencil, get yourself some paper, get yourself a crayon, get yourself a lipstick, get yourself a No, don't do that because your grannies and your mammies don't like it when you use their lipstick and mascara to draw. But we are going to draw together in a few minutes. But first, I'll tell you a little bit about this book. This brand new book is called Guzzler's Party, and it's all about a girl called Alina who loves saving energy. In the book, she tells you all about different types of energy and how you can save energy. She loves saving energy by turning off light switches when they're not being used, by keeping doors shut to keep heat in the house. It's really important to save energy to make sure that there's enough energy to go around. Now, in the book as well, there is this monster called Guzzler, and Guzzler is a green dimwit of a monster. He's really cool though, he's really funny and he's really friendly and he's Alina's best friend. And all through the book, do you know what he wants to do? He isn't overly worried about saving energy, although he's very interested in finding out about it. What he wants to do is he wants to have a super energy pizza party, and he keeps on asking when the pizza party is going to happen. So we are going to do some drawing today. We're going to draw Alina, we're going to draw Guzzler, and I am going to also show you how to draw some yummy, delicious pizza. So have you got your pens ready? Have you got your paper ready? We're going to start right now. Now, this is how you draw Alina first, okay? So we're going to start drawing Alina with her eyes. We're going to do two big circles for her eyes. One big circle here. There we go. And a little bit across from it, another big circle like this. And they're the outside of her eyes. Now we're going to do the little black pupils inside her eyes. We're going to do another circle in here. And another circle in here. And then we're going to color each pupil black. So we're going to color them black there and color them black there. And don't worry, if you're not coloring in completely or if you're going over the lines, don't worry at all. It's only a bit of fun. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to draw Alina's nose. And Alina's nose looks like this. It looks like a J shape, like a letter J that you'd read in a book or you're writing a copy. A big letter J like this. There we are, a big J. And now we're going to do Alina's big smile. So we're going to do a big curve for a big smile. So under her eyes and under her nose, I'm going to do a big smile that looks like this and goes over to there in a big curve. Brilliant. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do Alina's chin. So this is the bottom part of her face. And I'm going to do another big curve like this. But I'm going to make it like this. It's going to be a big deeper curve. It's going to almost look like a big U shape. If you know the letter U, you will be able to draw this shape. It's going to start here beside her smile. It's going to come down like this and go roundy, 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 and up to the other side. There we go. And then we're going to draw Alina's ears. Now, to draw each ear, I'm going to do a little shape like this. It's almost like a letter C shape that you'd learn in school. So a letter C shape. I'm going to do a letter C shape for this ear like that. Okay, see a little C? And then I'm going to do a backwards one over the other side. So over here, I'm going to do another letter C like that. Brilliant! Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to draw Alina's hair. Now, Alina has this really frizzy hair and it's mad curly. So we're going to draw a curly bit across the top of her face first of all. We're going to draw a curly bit of hair that goes across here like that. Okay. And then we're going to draw a big bushy bit of hair that goes over her head like this. So curly, 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 curly. And then over the other side as well, it'll go curly, 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 curly. And then we're nearly finished with Alina. The last thing we have to do is we're going to give her some eyebrows and some eyelashes. So I'm going to draw a little eyebrow there. So that's just a big thick line. And then we do another one over here. And then we give her 3 little eyelashes on either side. And she has lovely, pretty eyes. So we're going to give her 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, like that. And that is how you draw Alina. And Alina is a lovely character. She loves saving energy. But another character in the book doesn't really know much about energy. And Alina is trying to teach him how to save energy the whole way through. But this character, his name is Guzzler, he only wants his party. He wants to have a pizza party the whole way through. He keeps on saying, when is our pizza party going to happen, Alina? But we are going to draw Guzzler, the green nitwit monster now. Okay, so we're going to start with 2 eyes, like we did with Alina, but instead of drawing them far apart, we're going to draw them right together. So I'm going to draw a circle here. Here's one eye. And a circle right beside it, joined onto it nearly like that. And then we'll do the little black pupil. So we do a little black pupil in there, and another little circle in there for another little black pupil. And then we do a big nose, and the nose we're going to draw is the shape of an egg. It's a sideways oval that looks like an egg that got really tired and lay down to go asleep. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a big oval here, like an egg that looks like it's a bit sleepy. Brilliant, well done. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to give this Guzzler a huge big smile because he's such a friendly monster. He's not a scary monster at all. He's a really friendly monster. He's just a bit silly. So to give him a big smile, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same thing that I did in Elena, a huge big curve that comes from here, under his nose, up to here. Brilliant. And then we're going to draw Guzzler's teeth. Now Guzzler's teeth look like they're little squares. So they're little squares like this. So what I'm going to do is he has 2 big teeth at the front. So I'm going to draw 2 squares coming out of his mouth. So a little square here. There's one square. And for his other tooth, another little square there. Brilliant. And then we give him some freckles because he's a freckly monster. So we're going to give him 1, 2, 3 freckles there. 1, 2, 3 freckles there. Excellent. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to do his hair. Now he has a little bit of hair, but it's not mad curly like Alina's hair. It is a little bit spiky. So what I'm going to do his spiky hair is I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3 spikes just over his eyes. Okay, so I'm going to do 1, 2, 3 spikes like that. Brilliant. And then, because he absolutely loves parties and he really wants his pizza energy party at the end, we're going to give him a little spiky party hat on top of his head. So to draw that, I'm going to draw a triangle which has 3 sides like that. But I'm just going to do the upside and the downside, and it's going to attach to his hair like this. It's going to go up and then down like that. Brilliant. And then Guzzler, because he's a monster, he has 2 horns, kind of like, bit like a cow or a bull. He has 2 horns, or a goat, and he is a bit of a silly goat, so it makes sense. So I'm going to give him 2 little horns at the side of his head. And you know what I'm going to draw them like? I'm going to draw them like the end of a banana. You know, a banana goes up like that and then down like this, and it's kind of a bit curvy. I'm going to do it like that. So I'm going to draw from the side of his hat a curvy line going up. And then from the end of the horn, a curvy line coming down. Brilliant. And then we do the same thing on the other side. From his hair here, I'll draw a curvy line going up. And then a curvy line coming down. And there's his 2 horns. And we're nearly finished Guzzler. The last thing we have to do, like we did in Elena, we're going to do the bottom of his face. And we're going to do that with a big curve. That'll start at the bottom of his horn, go under his mouth, around you, up, and hit the other horn at the other side. So it's going to start here, and it'll come down, 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 around, up, right up there to the other horn. And there is Guzzler, the very silly green monster who wants to know more about saving energy. Now, finally, we have Elena and we have Guzzler. What do we need for a party? We need pizza, because this guy Guzzler, he wants to do lots of dancing in his party. But to do dancing, he needs a lot of energy. And how do we get energy? We eat food. And what sort of food does he like? He likes pizza. I know loads of you guys like pizza too. So we are going to draw a slice of pizza for Guzzler and Elena to share. So what we're going to do on our slice of pizza is we're going to start up here. We're going to draw a curved line that comes down like this. So a bit of a curved line. Okay, and then we're going to draw two straight lines. One that starts here and comes straight down like that and then stops. And one that starts at the end of the slice of pizza and goes all the way up to here. So it'll start here and a straight line goes up, 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 up. And it makes a big kind of triangle shape with a roundy end. And then we'll do the pizza crust. Now to do the pizza crust, you see this shape here with the curve? I'm going to do the same thing, but a little bit smaller and inside my slice of pizza. So I'm going to do another curve coming down there. And then, of course, we have our slice of pizza. We have to put some toppings on it. So what sort of toppings do you like? I mean, I like pepperoni, but some people like banana on their pizza. So we will draw a slice of pepperoni for me. We'll put some dots on it so it looks like pepperoni. Oh, that looks delicious. And we'll do a bit of banana. We'll put a little tiny banana on our pizza like that. And what do you think Guzzler likes on his pizza? I would say, because he's a monster, he probably likes bugs and beetles. So I am going to put a bug on this pizza, specially for Guzzler. So a big bug like that. And it looks absolutely not quite delicious. That is amazing. Guys, your drawings are incredible. Now, this book, it is available in your libraries and in your schools. It was written by Lucinda Jacob, who is a brilliant writer. And the book is so funny. And it was drawn by me, Alan Nolan. I hope you enjoy it. See you guys. Well done, everybody. Bye.